Hello friends, in this video I will be giving you a short description about this course. Okay, so this course is really helpful for those who are uh, testers and want to switch their career into automation testing, or the person who are in automation testing want to enhance their skills or to move to the most popular tools Selenium and APM. Okay, so uh, this course is especially for them because in this course you don't need to go through all the Java stuff. Okay, this much Java is sufficient. Okay, I'm not say that it is all the Java you need, but it is sufficient so that you can start with the Selenium. Okay, it's just around 4 to 5 hours of video, so you can just watch it and start with the Selenium. It's not that you have to devote your 1 month specifically for the Java only. Okay, so in which here I start with the installation, how to install the Eclipse in Java, write the simple programs, what are data types, okay, the looping concepts, okay, the while loop and the for loop and the if statements. These are very important part, okay. Then the arrays concept, class and object, how to make a constructors, this for each loop, this is the another way how you can implement the for loop, array list, hash map. These two types of you can say variables or data types are mostly used in Selenium and APM, so please go through them also, and the concept of interfaces. Okay, so just a knowledge, I have not gone in depth in this, just a knowledge is sufficient, and then we can start with the Selenium. Okay, so best of luck, go through the Java and then move to Selenium and APM. Okay, thank you.